Welcome, welcome, welcome to the RossKote podcast. This is episode 1, an introduction to the podcast. It's about building community around powder coating. In this inaugural episode of the podcast, we introduce ourselves as the coder and the blogger team we call RossKote. Ross and Kim Scott each share what they want to accomplish with this podcast for powder coaters. Listen in as Kim shares a secret about what she's doing behind the scenes of their business and then introduces her husband, partner, and powder coater, Ross. He talks about his humble beginnings and shares insights into his journey as a powder coater. Get ready to level up your powder coater game.